So first of all, I didn't try to deceive you with the title just to get you to click on my video. Yes, I know Telegram is an app that most of us do use, and how is it possible that you can make money from Telegram? I know this because I have actually tried this out and I saw some results, so that's why I decided to make a video about it. So in this video, what I'm going to do is that I'll be showing you a step-by-step process on how to set up the whole thing. So all you have to just scroll, and the more you scroll and the more you do the normal things you do on Telegram, by maybe you send messages. For each message you send, you are going to be making some extra cool cash. So this is something of interest to you. Of course, we all need money. Just stick around. Let me show you the whole process, and you can try it out as well. So first of all, what you need to do is, and don't worry about the app, I'm going to be revealing the name of the app you'll be needing. Of course, you are not going to be using only Telegram. You'll be needing an extra app as well. So it's more like you are going to integrate the app with Telegram for it to start working, okay? And don't worry about the name of the app. I'm going to be revealing the name of the app somewhere in this video. So just stick on. So first of all, I'll just go to my so first of all, what you need to do is that just go to Play Store. Then I'll just go to Play Store and download the app. The app is in Play Store actually. So I think I already have the app on my phone. So don't worry. Once I tell you the name of the app, you can just go to Play Store and get it yourself. So what I'm going to do is that, let me just quickly get started so I don't waste much of your time. So once you've downloaded the app, all you have to do is just open the app. Then you register with your phone number. You have to make sure that you are registering with the same phone number you use in opening your Telegram account. It is very, very important. And make sure you put in the name of the country you are from, or the country you are currently in. So right now I'm in Nigeria, so I'll just impute Nigeria right there. Then I will also add my phone number, and this phone number is the same phone number I use in opening my Telegram account. So I'll just put in my phone number right there, 090. Just put in the and before I forget, it's very important that whenever you are adding your phone number, let's say the code to Nigeria phone number is +234, just make sure you move the first zero. So as you can see, I already moved my first zero. Then just hit on continue. Yes, then wait for it to load, and of course they are going to send you a code. So this is why it's very, very important that make sure the number you are using is the same number you use to open your Telegram account. So that code is going to land in your Telegram account. So right now I'll just head to my Telegram and look for the code there. So as you can see, the code has not arrived, so I'll just give it some minutes for it to reload, and perhaps the code is going to come. Well, yes, the code has arrived. So what I'm just going to do is that I'll just grab the code and impute the code 9111. So there, my account has been verified. So the next thing, just hit on continue. So it's time for you to start your journey. So now there's a referral code. You have to make sure you also add the referral code. So code is 226. Okay, 666. So that's the referral code. Make sure you also add it to your own as well. So in that way you are going to be getting an extra bonus. So as you can see, I got 0.05 USDT, which is so one thing you need to know is that this app pays with coin. So the more you use the app, the more you get coin, and that coin can be converted to money, can be converted to US dollar. So that is it. So after as you can see, I've created my account. So it's time for me to start making some cool cash, right? Interface of the app. As you can see, I already have 10.00 coin, that is equivalent to $0.05. So more like 5 cents. So in order for you to earn, all you have to do is just click on the explore button. So there you will find articles. So you have to do just go through the articles. You don't even necessarily have to read them, but if you see any one of interest, you can just stop and read it. So the more you scroll, the more, as you can see at the top, I'm scrolling, and you can see there are some numbers counting. So those are coins that are reading for me just by scrolling. And there are different ways you can earn from this app. So let me just try to do it a little bit. So as you can see, my coin accounting. So these coins can be converted to US dollar. And so on this app, there are three ways you can earn from this app. And the first one is by you chatting with Telegram, like you always do. Just the more you chat, the more you earn. But you have to make sure whenever you want to start using the app, maybe you want, in order for it to get paid, you just have to make sure you access Telegram through this app. So you don't have to click on your actual Telegram account. You don't have to click on the actual Telegram app. All you have to do is just for you to click on this app, then use it to chat. Of course, it's Telegram as well, but they are just different names. So chat with this app instead of Telegram. So, and the second way for you to earn, of course, I have not tried this one out. Perhaps this one might be even paying more. Is for you to play to earn. I don't know what that actually means, but I think it's more like you playing game or something. While the third way to earn on this app is by scrolling, like I just showed you. Just scroll through some articles and you'll be earning some really cool cash just by doing that. You'll be earning some coins. So those are the ways you can earn from this app. So like I said, I promise I'm going to tell you the name of this app. The name of this app is Conso. So all you have to do is just for you to go to Play Store. Of course, the app is in Play Store. Just go to Play Store, then type in Conso, then download the app, then register as I've showed you. Then you should be good to go. If you learn a thing or two from this video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave a like. And if you have any question, don't forget to leave them in the comment section. Peace.